Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I am CS Sudhir. Mr. Amir has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, is it that I get only life cover, that is the term insurance coverage, when I buy term insurance? It's not just about life cover. Mr. Amir and all those who are trying to buy term insurance and those who have already bought term insurance, let me give you some tips. I have listed about 6 different benefits you get when you avail term insurance. Number one is, I agree that you get life cover, right? So now normally if you buy 1 crore rupee coverage, you get 1 crore rupee. But do you know there's something called monthly income scheme? What is monthly income scheme? Upon death, your family members, if they receive at a time 1 crore rupee, they may not be able to manage that money, they may not be able to handle it. Instead, they can opt for monthly income scheme, which means every month the family members of the deceased person will receive a monthly income, which means the family is taken care for a longer time, because we have seen this happening in many places where because of insurance policy they receive some 1 crore or 50 lakh or 2 crore at a time upon the death, and then the relatives will come, they take the money, they promise them a return and all that, but that doesn't really happen. So I just don't want them to misuse that money. Hence this is a good opportunity, you should make use of it. The second benefit you've got is this offer you've gotten, the riders, accidental death and disability rider. Yes, when you buy term insurance, you have this opportunity to take accidental death and disability benefit rider. So how does it work? When you buy term insurance, you've got 1 crore rupee coverage, and that will trigger only when you die. But then what if you meet with an accident and you lose your hand or you lose your leg, you're not able to speak, you can't work? Who's going to take care of you? That's when accidental death and disability benefit rider will kick in. So this is going to give you coverage. So this is the second benefit, you must make use of it. And the third one is critical illness benefit rider, which is going to give you a benefit in case if you are diagnosed with some critical illnesses. There's a list of about 14 to 22 diseases, depends on the companies. But remember, this is a survival benefit. I don't only recommend people to use this benefit because it's good to have a normal health insurance policy than having this. But still, there are many people who opt for this. This is another benefit you get when you buy term insurance. And the fourth one is very interesting. This is called terminal illness rider. Just think of it. You're diagnosed with cancer, you're diagnosed with brain tumor, and it is very clear that you're going to die in the next 3 months or 6 months. Now you have these last wishes to complete. You want to travel across the world or you want to do something new. But in that scenario, if the doctor declares that you are diagnosed with some terminal illness, and in that case with the doctor certificate, you will be able to get this terminal illness benefit rider amount. That can be, up to some amount, some portion of your total sum assured, and that money can be used to pay your hospital bills or to fulfill your last wishes. That's again a very interesting benefit. You must make use of it. And the fifth benefit you got is premium waiver. Premium waiver means in case after you purchase term insurance, if you're diagnosed with some health problem or you meet with an accident, you're not able to earn, in that case you can avail this premium waiver benefit, which means as long as you're alive until the term of the policy, end of the term of the policy, your premium will be paid by the insurance company. You don't really have to pay that. At the same time, the sixth benefit you got is something called premium return, which means in case if you don't die at the end of the policy term, you will be able to get back all the premiums you have paid. But I don't recommend people to go for this, but this is again another benefit available. This is why on Financial Freedom app, we have designed a detailed course on term insurance, and this course will help you choose the best term insurance available in the market. Not just that. See, purchasing term insurance is one part, but then you have to use it really well. You have to ensure that you get all the benefits of term insurance. All that can be done by watching this course. So that is why we have designed this course. Please watch this course. Along with that, we have about 83 courses on personal finance, career, business, farming and life skills on Financial Freedom app. You can download Financial Freedom app from Play Store or App Store and watch all these courses. And for Republic TV viewers, we have an interesting offer. If you enter the referral code Freedom Show, you will get ₹2,000 scholarship to watch all these courses available on Financial Freedom app. Please make use of this opportunity. And also, if you have any questions related to any of these topics, please post your questions in the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.